Yo guys, it all makes sense while we ain't been seeing regular shock drops. We ain't been seeing our traditional exclusive accesses. And it seems like the new CEO from Nike has a totally different mindset on how we can drop some sneakers early in a more exciting way. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know they have a crazy way they're gonna be lining up exclusive accesses or shock drops, whatever you do wanna call it. Unexpected drops. They're gonna be in a very, very different form than what we are used to seeing. And we gotta talk about it in today's video. So let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back into another video. Your boy been MIA for a couple of days, but trust me, I have been seeing everything. I've been seeing all the different restocks that I probably should have came up here and talked about. I feel like I missed out on some key things that didn't happen in the sneaker community. But I am here today to give you guys some crazy information from Nike. It seems like since we got this new Nike CEO, like I said, bro, he has a whole new idea on how to, surprise the community. I think it's going in the right direction if I'm not being biased, not even being salty about still taking that L on Air Jordan 1 U in the LAs. If you guys do not know, I got exclusive access on that sneaker, but it was only exclusive access to get into the room of people in order to try to get the sneaker. And I took a huge L on them guys. So I'm a little salty about that, but all bias aside, all the L saltiness aside, I do think it's going in the right direction in terms of what we used to seeing, like the regular shock drop and stuff. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please do your boy a solid, leave a huge like. It takes a couple of seconds and it tremendously helps the channel. So if you guys want to help me out, man, please leave a huge like on today's video. And I've been going for a while, like I said, man, it's been about a week. So if you've been copying anything throughout this week, man, please let me know what you snagged. Recently, I got a crazy unexpected W on a pair of New Balances, you know what I'm saying? So I haven't been implementing different things like foams, New Balances, Asics and stuff that I've been grabbing recently to the channel. I even brought a pair of 9060s recently, but I have not been showing them on the channel. But if you guys want to be interested in seeing different brands other than Jordans, which we mostly primarily talk about, let me know in the comment section. I'll be definitely bringing you guys some different unboxings. All right, guys, so like I said, man, Nike got some new stuff going on. And once I seen it today, I was like, hold on, this is kind of different, but it's kind of, going in the right direction, like I said. So there's going to be something totally new called Sneakers Link. And I don't know if you guys remember, I made a video about a month ago talking about the new sneakers pilot program that they was trying to do in terms of putting out exclusive access and all that crazy stuff. And I think that has, kind of matured into what we are seeing today. They finally getting announced to all sneakers and Nike lovers, you know what I'm saying? So the Sneakers Link has a couple different features you guys already know, man. The exclusive access. So, exclusive accesses or shock drops, however you do want to call it, unexpected drops, they're going to be in a very, very different form. So you're going to start seeing these things on social media. You might see some things in the app, and something I kind of tailored this information to is that Air Jordan 4 SB drop where they dropped on Eric Costin's Instagram story. I think that's his name, and you had to go on his Instagram story in order to access the sneaker, and it was an exclusive access. So that was kind of almost like the first outline of this Sneakers Link. They're going to be in various different forms, and I was kind of thinking, like, if a shoe has something to do with a certain what can you say, a certain niche or a certain a genre or however you do want to call it, you might see something in those areas. So like Travis Scott, he has a crazy Discord that all the Travis Scott lovers is in there, and he might drop links in that in terms of his releases. Because you guys do not know, we have a bunch of Travis Scott still outlined for this year and in 2026. So it's not gonna be your traditional exclusive access getting handed out like we used to seeing, which I've missed. I've missed exclusive access. I missed those shock drops, but we are not seeing them no more. And I think this is the way forward with this whole new Sneakers Link. So I'm gonna put up here on the screen, I'm gonna read it a little quick. So the exclusive access Sneakers Link offers unique links or QR codes shared through various channels, including social media posts and collaborations with artists, like I said earlier, athletes and creatives. This link grants access to special drops within the Sneakers app. So again, just like that, Eric Costins with the SB Navy Blues. And it says app integration. Accessing the Sneakers Link directs users to the Sneakers app where they can learn more about the specific drop on how to unlock access. So it's almost like some trivia type style they got going on, which is actually pretty cool. And then it goes on to say, if the app isn't installed, user will be prompted to download it before proceeding, which again, I think they're trying to bring more people to the Sneakers app, bring more people randomly throughout the world to get some of those limited availability sneakers, those limited drops, those SBs, those Nigel joints, the unit LAs. They can grab people using whatever, as they're running, and grab a random person like, oh, those actually look cool. And it's gonna, take them to the app store, download the app, and then give them exclusive access to that said sneaker, which again, that is a very, very smart strategy for Nike, especially if they are putting these links to exclusive items randomly throughout social media. And of course, it says limited availability, products available through sneakers link are often a limited time, emphasizing the importance of acting quickly. So I do wish that this happened, for those unit LAs, which I had to end up paying resale for. Love those sneakers. Haven't worn them yet, but I did wear my Nigel joints. Super clean on feet, super comfortable. So I can't wait to break out my unit LA joints, one of my most anticipated releases of the year. I had to go and snag them. But again, I wish that this whole little sneakers link would have been, around when I was trying to get my shoe. They gave me exclusive access, which, used to act quickly. You used to hurry up and go in there because your size wasn't guaranteed, but you could still go in there and select the sizes available. Now, what happened to me is, again, they invited me to this big room and they said, we're gonna pick random people to, enter for the shoe in order to get a W. And of course, like I said, I got an L. But with this new feature, if you're a random person watching today's video, you don't even like shoes, you're like, yo, what is he talking about Nike? You can get a W. They might put an ad on YouTube, like, hey, click this link. You have exclusive access to the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Mochas, the restock that we all been waiting for, and you might potentially get lucky. And again, I do think that this is a great idea from Nike's strategy, their outline of trying to bring new people, get more hype. And these releases lately have been really hyped up. And I'm not even gonna cap, like, looking at the Nigels, or not even Nigel, I think that's a bad example. Looking at the SB4s, you guys seeing those going for like $500-$600, and then you guys see tremendously drop in resale value. So it's almost like they hyping up the shoes prior to the drop, and then once we get them, everything goes down because there are a little bit more available than what people think. But I think Nike's standpoint is kind of smart how they've been doing it. They held off on that information about the drop being on sneakers for a very long time. Nobody had concrete date, nobody had concrete time up until the date that it was going to happen. So again, they're building this hype and they're making people want the sneaker. And again, bro, I gotta take my hats off to them, bro. It is a great idea in terms of building a hype, or just building the excitement. Let's not call it hype, because sometimes people, tailor hype to resale value, which I don't like doing. But again, if some do got a lot of hype, that the resale is going to be high. But again, in terms of just, all over, people loving sneakers, they are building that hype. They want you to like the SB navy blue fours. They want you to think this is the best thing since sliced bread. You know what I'm saying? Again, I think it's a great idea, holding off on the releases, giving us some random sneakers links to access limited available sneakers. And I think, again, that they are doing a great job in terms of, kind of stirring things up, putting a couple tricks out their hat and all that good stuff. But I want you guys to let me know in the comment section how you feel about this whole new sneakers link. Again, we can see something very, very soon, probably as soon as this Air Jordan 4 white cement drop. I think that's the perfect time to do it. I don't know who they would, put the link where it's going to be at, but I definitely think we're going to start seeing this sneakers link, and it's going to be not as easy, not as simple as sneakers sending you a notification. You gotta be like following somebody in order to access that exclusive access, if that makes sense. But I appreciate all the support, man. Quick video, quick little wrap up. I think it's a great idea, but I am very, very interested in you guys' comments and your, inputs on what sneakers and Nike is doing. Go ahead and drop that down below. But if you are new here to the channel, you enjoy the vibes, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way. And with all that's being said, man, your boy The Vintage, gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.